Hey, what's up, Shiba holders? So this is very urgent news for an absolutely very latest update of Shiba Inu coin, my brothers. In upcoming time, there is more chances the huge jump, the very huge jump. As soon by this time, the Shiba Inu coin trend I think is gonna be gone, my brother. You can see they falls down very badly, falls down. You can see all crypto market is wake up after a long time, but this time you can see Shiba Inu is falls down. It's mean to they are completely gonna be lost, but definitely the CEO of Shiba Inu is absolutely tell us this, my friends. To the huge jump is gone. So let's see, my brothers, to really huge jump is soon or not, my friends. They will. This is just fake news. This is just scam, my brother. Let's see the Shiba Inu coin holder. Kindly, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe this channel and absolutely ABS channel will update you. The last one hour chart is on the screen, my brother, and the last one hour, if you can see here, minus 3.8%, they fell down. So it's mean to they are completely in the loss in last 1 hour. My holder, my viewers, my subscriber, try to understand after this chart. You understand to the huge jump is really soon or not, my brother. You can see at this time they fails down completely. You can see here, try to understand this, my friend. I'm 100% give you a proof to really huge jump is coming soon or not. So you can see, my brother, this time they fails down. So there is one chance, my friends, to they will wake up. Everybody try to understand too. You can see this time the short circulation, focus the short circulation. After a fails, they take a jump. After a fails, they take a jump. It's mean to after a fails, they take a jump. So you can see this time the huge fails. So it's mean to the huge jump is taken. Let's see, my brother, the last three. Let's start to what's going on. After a huge jump, absolutely there is a chance they will take a huge jump. So you can see after a huge jump they falls down. They will huge fails, my friend, and absolutely after a huge fails they take also very huge jump. So it's 100% right, my friends. The huge jump is soon Shiba Inu holder. To you know, my brothers, try to understand. To this is holding time. Please don't show, my brother. Please don't show. Don't make a decision, my friends, before you decide personally. But I give you 100%, my brother. Give you 100% guarantee to the huge jump soon. So you need to make sure to they will go up and they will back up again now. Try to understand this time. You can see a plus 12.45% they change occur, and just in only in the last one, my friends. You can see a 3 days. So it's a very short jump. But I'm 100% sure to upcoming time they take a very huge jump. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. If the end of month of every frequency is moving up very fastly, so therefore there is more chances to Shiba Inu is also wake up and take a very huge jump. So thanks for watching, holder. Please, I just give you advice, my brother. Remember, this is not a financial video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.